Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be talking to you about our natural deodorant. So we have two types of natural deodorant. We have a baking soda deodorant line, and we also have a baking soda free deodorant line. And this is for persons whose skin is super sensitive and you've used our baking soda deodorant before and you found that it was a bit irritating. This is perfect for you. What is so great about this deodorant is the active ingredient is magnesium and zinc. The magnesium helps to get rid of body odor, and the zinc also helps to keep you cool, clean, and dry. So this deodorant is perfect even if you're super active. You can definitely feel confident even wearing this for up to 24 hours in the day. So our tips for using natural deodorant is definitely start with a clean underarm. What do I mean by a clean underarm? Sometimes even after you take a shower, your underarm can still be dirty. How do I know this? If you've ever used a cotton ball with alcohol on your face after washing it, and you still see some brown residue, that means that there's dirt still on the surface of your skin. The same thing happens under your arm. And so after taking a shower, you can add the second step by cleaning under your arm with a cotton ball with alcohol or witch hazel. This helps to get rid of any lingering bacteria that is on the surface of the skin. Now, why do you want to do this? It is the bacteria that's on the surface of your skin that's eating the perspiration, so you can help your natural deodorant to work better by starting with a clean underarm. Another thing about our natural deodorant, it is not an antiperspirant. It does not stop you from sweating. But what it does is after using this for a few weeks, your body will naturally regulate itself and you won't be sweating so profusely. Now you might be wondering, why don't we want antiperspirant in our products? So research has shown that antiperspirant is linked to diseases like Alzheimer's and breast cancer. Even though the research is saying that, there is no concrete evidence of this theory, why take the risk? My thing is just get rid of the risk altogether and switch to an antiperspirant free product. An antiperspirant works by blocking the sweat ducts under your arm and preventing you from sweating, because if you're not sweating, then you won't produce the thing that the bacteria loves to eat. Now, our natural deodorant works by causing your underarm to smell better. Also, this particular deodorant, the zinc in it and also the castor oil, which I forgot to mention earlier, they work together to trap the odor, and so the odor isn't released into the air, and so you can feel confident when you raise your arm. You're like, okay, I'm smelling good hours later. So that's it for our natural deodorant series today, and this one is the magnesium and zinc deodorant. You can check the link in the video for where you can purchase this product.